Hi everyone, myself Amit Singh, and today we'll talk about the recent AWS services failure which happened a couple of days back. You might have heard this news that AWS services, which is almost down for almost 12 to 13 hours, and it was huge, right? Isn't it? So everyone is talking about AI automation and all, and really it's automating the task, but very few are talking about whether what is the impact out of it, what is the reason uh, it can affect, what is the negative things or wrong part it can happen. So more than automation, people are not talking about the risk it has along with it, right? So the issues or the downtime happened in AWS recently. It was because of its AI agent, which was deleting its services environments and automatically creating it. So it's a kind of autonomous code or agent written by AWS developers, which is when it treated the existing code was not optimized enough to handle the loads. That's why it was trying to delete the existing resources and create the environments from the scratch, and that's what the reason is, and that's what AWS got down for almost 12 to 13 hours. So, and then AI agent's name was Kiro, which was built by AWS web services. So here is the thought. Definitely we should go with the AI agents, AI, and it's reducing the task, many areas we are trying to automate, but we should also think about what other impacts it may have, whether where human in a loop should be available, whether those area we should try to automate. These are the questions we should think before applying the AI agents, because this kind of issues might happen to any company anytime. So we should be careful about this. If you like this channel or content, you like these sorts, subscribe to my channel. Happy learning.